Hello. So good to meet you at our global motivational meeting. We are reading Wall Street Sales Book, this God's word that inspire billions of people, families, communities, countries, and the whole world. And will help you to just read this quote and practice in your daily life. Think about them that God could give you tips for a happy life and prosperous future. It will help you, your family, and community, wherever you are. As we are reading this holy book from the beginning, please find all the chapters in our Message to Billion channel. And now let's see what God prepared for us today. As we're reading about society and government, let's read the end of the law. First quote, he who loves his neighbor has fulfilled the law. The commandments, you shall not commit adultery, you shall not kill, you should not steal, and you should not covet. And any other commandments are summed up in the sentence, you shall love your neighbor as yourself. Love does not wrong to a neighbor. Therefore, love is the fulfilling of the law. Further, let's read quotes from the second time Isaiah, Father, Son, and Moon. Every country has its law, whose purpose is to maintain goodness. At the same time, everyone is endowed with a conscience. Even without an education, the conscience knows what is right and urge us to act accordingly. Through the conscience, every person can know right from wrong and has the ability to regulate him or herself quite apart from the law. The law is an instrument to regulate people who would take advantage of the society and world for personal gain. The law is needed to deter self-centered people and groups from transgressing the line of what is permitted. How should we live in order not to transgress the law? Those who live for the sake of others do not require laws to deter them from doing wrong. We need to reach that level where we are liberated from the law. How shall you live if you want to be confident not to be caught in the net of the world's law? If you live for your own selfish purposes, you are liable to be caught wherever you go. Instead, cultivate a life of living for the greater good of society. Then you will be liberated from the law. Would that the world was filled with true families. It would be a world governed by the heavenly way and heavenly law, with no need for lawyers, persecutors, or even judges. So powerful quote for today. If you have difficulties, please watch one more time this video, share this video as we end this video. Happy Life Subscribers Marathon. Subscribe and contact us for cooperation, consultation, and become a member of this Heavenly Parents Holy Community globally. Receive Heavenly Kingdom citizenship right now for salvation, blessing, healing, as we are in this global peace building movement, Global Peace by 2027. Join it and share it. Stay happy, healthy. See you tomorrow with more powerful quotes. Until then, turn on suggestion playlist. Choose the best one for you and listen God's word. Stay blessed all the day. Bye bye. Yours, Nicolae.